All right, everybody, this is going to be our Gamblers example video number 2. We're just going to call out the points as they happen so you guys can see what the class looks like. We'll also try and put them over here on the right. And if anything funky happens, we will explain as we go. 1, 3. So this would be one of those funky things we just talked about. In this version of Gamblers, flips out of tunnels onto contacts or off of contacts into tunnels are not allowed. So what we just saw right there, where they went into this purple tunnel, and then they just wrapped right back around and got onto the A-frame, they will get 0 points for that A-frame. They will still get the points for the tunnel, but they will get no points for the A-frame. The reasoning for that is that we really like to see our minimum course distances between each obstacle performance, which our minimum is 18 feet. We usually aim for 21 feet in most NADAC courses, but we do have an 18-foot minimum. So that would be one of those funky things. So as I was saying, we would have a 3, 0. Can't really see it, but we assume they did the hoop for a 1. 2 sides of the barrel, so that's a successful performance for 4, 3, 4, 3, 1. We're now attempting the gamble. 1, 7, and we're off the course. So that was a pretty good example of the kick back onto the contact without doing anything else. We're just going to go back, and I want to make one little note here. Had they done basically anything else between the tunnel and the A-frame, they would have been perfectly fine. If they would have gone up and done the set of weave poles, for example, even though it's kind of a tough entry, they could have gotten that, then coming back and done the A-frame, and that would have been a perfectly fine performance.